this video, I'll show you how to solve add music to profile not showing on Instagram. So let's open up our Instagram app. And from here, we're going to the profile section at the bottom right. And here we're going to click on edit profile. And here we see music. And right now it is available for me because I did two things. And I'm going to show you what I did right now. So the first thing that you are going to do is you're going to your App Store. And from your App Store, you're basically going to search for Instagram App Store or Google Play Store, by the way. It's just based on your device, of course. And here you're going to go to Instagram and click on update when this is available. And after you've done the update, you can check if it works. And if it still doesn't work, you can do another two things. And that is either delete the Instagram app, but there is a better way. You can also go to your settings. And from settings, you go to general. Here you click on storage, iPhone storage in my case, because I'm recording on iPhone. But when you're on Android, this will be something similar. You're going to scroll down and then go to Instagram. And from here, you're going to click on offload app. And after that, you are making sure that you close your app. And from here, you can try it again. And if it still does not work for you, then it is probably due to the fact that it is not available in your country at this moment, or that Instagram has not put this feature in your account yet. This is something that Instagram does very regularly when new features arrive. They just bring it to certain accounts and they will gradually put it to more accounts. So this will probably be the case. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.